Copy of the equipment list. I'm going to show you the blank one that I have here. And if you want to open yours at the same time, you can fill it in with me. We have the equipment on the left-hand side, and I've chosen already these 5 items for you. What I need you to do is go look up the price. So the way to do that is to go to the website. All right, you have the vendor here. It's going to be Best Buy. So you go to the website and you paste this model number into the search bar. I'm going to copy it first. All right, I have that copied. And then I'm going to go over here to the Best Buy website and I'm going to paste it into the search bar. It's just like an alphanumeric code. It's the model number of that computer. So if I just search for that, I will get the one item that I'm looking for that has a model number MQ2Y2 blah blah blah. So I need to take this price, $4,999.99, and put it where it says price. And you don't need to type the $sign or anything because I already have it formatted to do that. Is everybody good with that? All right, let's do another one. Let's look up the printer. Copy the model number and paste it into the search bar. When I search, it's going to come up with the printer that I want, the one item. There's the model number that I just typed in. That one is $349.99. Let me go over here and the price, put $349.99. So as you add items here, it's going to update the total. This is already automatically programmed to give you a total. So you don't have to worry about that. So you can look up the tablet. And because you can't get to Staples, I have to give you the paper cutter and the pencil sharpener.